This short video will show you how to download and install the mastan 2 software that you'll be using in Homework 5, and also how to download and open the file that goes with the homework assignment itself. Open up a web browser and type in the address bar mastan2.com, which should take you to this mastan 2 v3.3 website. Over on the left-hand side, there's a button, Download. Please click on that. And then you're given the option of version 1 or version 2. Version 1 requires that you have MATLAB already installed on your computer. I suspect most of you don't have MATLAB installed on your laptops, so you should therefore go to version 2. And there is a setup guide that you can look at, but I'll just walk you through how to do it here. I'm working on a Macintosh, so I'm going to go to Download Intel Mac and click here. You have to agree to some terms of the license, and then the download will begin. If you look up here, it's a fairly lengthy download, about 160 megabytes, and so I'm going to pause this recording while the download completes. Alright, the mastan file, install file has finished downloading to my computer, so I'm going to go to my downloads folder here, and you should go on your own machine to wherever the file would have downloaded. And there's an install package here, so I'm going to select that. And we're now getting this installer dialog for the mastan 2 software. So I'll click continue and go through the various steps here, agreeing to a license, and installing to default location, and clicking install. So it may ask you for your install password, your admin password, or it may not. And now you're going through the install procedure, which is pretty quick, and then you can close the install dialog. Now, that should have installed into my applications folder. So if I go to applications and I look under M, yes, I see here the mastan 2 v3.3.1.app file, and if you're on a PC, you should see a similar executable installed on your machine. So if I double click on this app, and I'm a little bit patient, the mastan software will open. Okay, very well. The next thing you need to do is to download and open the file that accompanies homework number 5. So I'm going to return to a web browser and go to the course website, www.ce.jhu.edu/perspectives, and go to assignments, and homework 5 is the analysis homework, and then you can get the homework 5 bridges file either as a .mat file, a MATLAB file, or a zip file. I'm going to try downloading the .mat file. That didn't work, and that may happen for you, so I'm going to grab the zip file instead, and you see that downloaded quite quickly. So that's gone into my downloads folder, and I'm going to open my downloads folder now, and I see homework 5 bridges.mat sitting there. I want to put that someplace where I'm going to be working on it. So for example, and again, I'm working on a Mac here. You can do something similar on a PC. I can go into my, say, Documents folder and make a new folder called Perspectives Homework. And one thing to note here is that MATLAB and mastan don't like file names with spaces in them. So if you want to write words in your file names, use an underscore, as I have here, to separate words, not spaces. Okay, so I made my Perspectives homework folder, and I'm going to take homework 5 bridges.mat and copy it into that Perspectives homework folder. All right, so it's sitting there now, and I've got it on my computer. What I need to do is now go back to the mastan software and go to File, Open, and I'll see a dialog box, right? And I now need to navigate to that that homework 5 bridges file. So the default opening is within the applications section here for slightly strange reasons. So I need to find my user account. On a Mac, I need to go back to Reggie disk, that's my hard drive, and then to users, and to my user account Arwadi, then to the then to my Documents folder, and then I can find that Perspectives homework folder. And here's my homework 5 bridges.mat. All right, so I can click Open, and now I've successfully opened the homework 5 bridges file.